All right, it's a big day. We are putting Timeout on the water for the first time. Let's hope it goes well. And away we go. All right, we're on our way to Oceanside Harbor. We've got Graham with me. We are gonna do some water testing. So I don't know how exciting this is gonna be. Could be really exciting. I don't know. There is a bit of a breeze. The windy app is saying that it's only like about 4 knots, but it's supposed to jump up to about 10 knots, which I feel like would probably push the boat along pretty good. So I have everything. I'm planning on just putting up the mainsail, but we'll see. We might put the head sail up too. It's gonna be kind of a see how it goes kind of thing. We have to make sure there's no leaks in the boat. We have to make sure that the ballast is holding water correctly. There's a lot of things that we need to confirm before we can even go out and put up the sail. So we're gonna go get this thing launched and see what happens. And we are Oceanside Harbor. Boat ramp. All right, mast is up. There we go. Gonna get some buoys and get everything ready to rock. All right, we're getting there. Graham, you ready? Graham's ready. All right, we're good to go. Fairly uneventful. Scratched a little of my bottom paint. I need to maybe put some little rubber buffers on the trailer somewhere, but it might have been just my method, but didn't take too long. I think about 30-40 minutes to get everything set up and launched, which it's my first time doing it at the launch ramp, so definitely going to be able to improve on that. There she is, ready to go. We still have to put the boom on, fill the ballast tank, check water. So Graham's got his switch, so if he gets bored on all my hijinks, he'll have something to do. But it looks good. It's sitting a little high, but I believe that's because the ballast is empty. We'll get the ballast in it now and see how it does. Hi, buddy. All right, we're in the water and we're completely dry on this side of the boat, which is awesome. So let me check the other side. All right, other side is dry as well. So it is now time to open the ballast tank. All right, so here we go. Here goes nothing. This guy up. Ooh, it's definitely airtight. It just blew air out. So, all right, we're good to go. We'll just let the ballast fill. I think it takes like around 6 minutes or so. And I'm gonna tidy some other stuff up. We're underway. It's taking a little bit here, but we got everything all set up and we're cruising along at just a few knots hit. What do you think, Graham? Yeah. On a sailboat? Yeah. We gotta take care of all of our alarms here. I'm gonna get out where I can just kind of drift and then I can get it squared away. and back. It's a pretty successful maiden voyage. Graham, what do you think? Successful? Graham went down in the cabin a little too long and his tummy didn't feel great, but he's feeling better now, so Daihatsu's rocking. Oh, GoPro. Well, I have to say, overall, it was a very successful maiden voyage here. I found that raising the mast and lowering the mast, which I'm doing here on the video, is really convenient on this boat. And I found that it sails really, really well. Despite us only using the mainsail and being in pretty light winds, we navigated around everywhere we wanted to go, and I'm just super happy about it. So I think we're going to end things off here for this video. Thanks for everyone that's been following along with this project. It's been a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to what we're going to do next. But thanks for watching.